And from my perspective, it's been a responsiveness from vendors, right? I mean, I've been doing this a long time. We had a lot of big companies providing us services at some of my last firms, and they wouldn't pick up the phone when I called, and there was no kind of feedback loop where I could tell them where their product was falling down and what else we needed to be better at what we're doing. And I admit that I have a very narrow niche in the market. I mean, there's not a lot of firms that do what we do, but there was also no one for us to talk to. I mean, I think the most unfortunate thing AJ ever did was give me his direct email address because he hears from me way too much about what we think. But we also, I mean, we do this with other vendors. So for example, you know, my firm has a green policy where we try really hard not to travel if we don't have to. So we're really pushing video depositions. But the one downfall of depositions are your exhibits. And what do you do with this box of exhibits when your deposing attorney is in Berkeley, but the deponent is in Taiwan? So what we've been doing is shipping boxes of exhibits over, and the court reporter will hand them to the deponent. So, you know, we're kind of moving forward trying to find a deposition service that will do electronic exhibits. And we had a couple, you know, make pitches to us this week. They were awful. Most of the time where they're trying to give, you know, this really polished presentation to us, we had them on speakerphone, and the partners in my office just kept like jumping on top of them saying, but why can't we do this? And why don't you have it do this? And are you kidding me? You expect the deposing attorney to start typing in exhibit numbers? That's just never going to happen. I think the vendors in this area have really fallen down listening to what the attorneys actually need.
Shanna did email me about this, by the way.
Yes, I was literally on, and I'm emailing AJ going, you have to be able to do better than this.